Since I moved abroad, I've had 6 different jobs as I was always looking for ways to make extra money, to have more freedom, and I've tried many side hustles before. So 2 of those side hustles actually led me to quit my full-time job working in a hospital in England and led me to what I'm doing today. I've been working full-time on my business for just over a year now. And if you are someone looking for ways to make extra money online, keep watching because in this video, I'll be sharing with you 11 different ways to make money with digital products and services that I've tried myself and some of my friends are also doing, and they are making money as well. So let's dive in. Before we dive into the content of this video, I want to share with you a free resource that I did it myself to help you to get started. So if you are looking for profitable ideas that people are actually looking for, I've researched over 77 digital product ideas that are on high demand and low competition. So if you want to get started, make sure you go and grab this free Notion template in the description and search for one idea that you can start creating today. Okay, so let's start with the first way that I made my first ever dollar online, which was selling good note planners. That was the first digital product that I have created and launched in English. And that was a huge milestone for me because English is not my first language. So it was a huge mountain that I had to climb to actually launch this product online. At this time, digital planners were getting super popular because people were transitioning from paper planners. I only launched one good note planner and I made a few sales, but I actually decided to pivot to my second way here to make money online, which was selling Notion templates. As you probably know by now, if you are subscribed to my channel, you know that I love Notion. I'm obsessed with this tool because you can create so many things, so flexible, it's free. You can do so many things with the free plan. You can create anything, websites, content planners, systems, the databases. You can do so many things. And I started turning my templates that I was using for myself into templates that I could sell it on my shop. So that's what I started to do as well. And that was a way that was bringing consistent extra income every single month from a digital product. And speaking of Etsy, now we're going to talk about the third way that I've made money online, which was selling digital products on Etsy. I've sold a lot of different digital products there, but mostly Notion templates, Canva templates. I sold printables, good note planners, and it worked really well for me. So for example, here, this is how much I made in 1 month when I went on holiday. So this month I went to Brazil to spend a month holiday there. I was not working, I was not doing anything related to work. And this is how much I made on top of my full-time salary. And that was when I really understood the power of having a digital product, because even though I was not working, I was still making money from those digital products that I've created months ago. And the key for success on Etsy is really leveraging SEO, because that's how you're going to get found even if you don't use social media, even if you don't promote your products outside of Etsy. You need to create products that people are looking for and optimize your products to be found. And if you want to get started selling digital products on Etsy, but you don't know how to get started, watch this video here because I'll show you the step-by-step exactly what you need to do. And that's exactly how I got started. And the next one here on my list is making money with online courses. And this is a very profitable way to leverage what you have learned, leverage your experience, and especially if you are someone like me who loves learning things and teaching things, this is an amazing option for you. So I have created courses around Notion and around digital products, but you can create literally courses about anything, and everyone is good at something and you can just create a course about that. However, this is not something that is passive. This is not just like a course that sells itself. It's something that I have to actively sell. So I had to create the course once, but this is something that I have to keep updating it. Some courses I have live calls, and this is something that I have to actively sell. I have to promote on my email list, or I have to promote on my social media account to get sales on it. Then another way that I also made money online is with PLR digital products. However, I did not get products from someone else to start selling. I created those products myself. And what I did was actually selling these templates with a commercial license, which basically means that they can resell that themselves. They only have to change the branding and customize it, and then they can resell that without having to start the product from scratch. And this is called digital products, which is something that I also sell. I have courses about it. I have, for example, I have in the Passive Income Academy, which is a course where I teach people how to sell Notion templates, how to launch their digital shop, and I give them those PLR templates that they can start with, so they don't have to create everything from scratch. And here I have examples from students from my courses that have used the PLR template that I provided in the course, and they customize it and created something completely unique from the PLR template. Then it led me to my next option. I already lost count here, but the next one is one-to-one coaching or group coaching. This is something that I started. It wasn't actually planned. People started to ask for, especially students that were ready to go to a next level, and people on social media. So if you are good at something, if you are sharing your experience in any way, shape or form, it's very likely that people will pay for your guidance and your experience. People that want to walk that same path, they are willing to pay for, basically they are paying for time. They are accelerating their journeys, and this is basically what coaching is. So I do have now one-to-one coaching, and I do have a group coaching program as well. And I started my coaching program around selling digital products, making money online, but you can start your own offering, just like consultation services or one-to-one coaching as well. So I don't know if you can see, but it's a very natural progression. I didn't put like in order, but it's a very natural progression, as I started with very simple digital products like a printable, and then it evolved to a Notion template, and then evolved to a course, and then it evolved to PLR templates, and then coaching. Now I'm focusing more on group coaching, which is something that I'm loving it because I have like more close contact with them, and I can help them to actually overcome those blocks and get things done, because a lot of people, they know what they need to do, they watch all the tutorials, they buy all the courses, but they don't take action. And when you are in a group coaching environment where everyone is working toward that same goal in a community, helping each other, sharing their experiences, it's close to impossible, like for you to not have any results and for you not to execute anything. So this is something that I'm really enjoying right now as well. And it's something that anyone can do, really, especially one-to-one coaching. You can start because you don't have to actually create anything. You are just sharing your experience and your knowledge. But as you can see, that is a very natural progression. I didn't have all this planned when I started my business. It was naturally, things were evolving. So that's why it's so important to stay in the game. There is no way that you can fail a digital product business. The only way to fail is if you quit. Like, you have to stay in the game and you're gonna win. All right, so the next one that I have on my list here is actually YouTube, which is where you are watching this video right now. And if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure you leave a like below and subscribe to my channel, because I was checking my stats and over 80% of people that are watching my videos are not subscribed. So I do put a lot of work here. I do the best I can on these videos. So just make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos that I'm preparing for you. And I have to say, that's not the fastest route to start making money online, but it can bring a steady revenue through different ways. And that's, at least that's how I find it. my channel here has been very slow growth, but steady growth. So even though my channel is growing, it's very slow and steady, but you can make money in different ways here. You can promote affiliate links, you can promote your offers, your digital products. So there are a few different ways, and I monetized my channel very recently. But yeah, YouTube has been quite hard actually. It's a very hard type of content to create. I put a lot of effort here. In my opinion, it's absolutely worth it. So yeah, the eighth way that I made money online was offering design services. So doing design jobs is something that I really enjoy. Till today, I enjoy creating designs and beautiful things. So it was something that I was offering as a service before, even when I was working full time, because I wanted to make extra money. So I would make like social media posts, and I would make basically design services. So if you love design and if you have design skills, there are so many people looking for this kind of service. You can use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even Facebook groups. One day I was actually promoting one of my Notion templates on a Facebook group, and I got a design job there. Someone said, "Oh, I really liked your design style. Can you make this an ebook for me?" Which was this ebook here that I created for her. And you can get jobs like that. So even though it's something that you do have to put the time, it's something that you can make money quicker. And even though it's something that it does take your time, it's something that you can do from home, and it's something that you can make money online. And the eighth way that I made money online was hosting live webinars. So I've hosted different live webinars already, and basically I do my teaching part on the webinar, and at the end I sell something or offer something. And these webinars, sometimes they do really well. And during this live webinar, you can offer a service, or you can offer a digital product at the end, or something that people can buy. And the great thing about webinars is because they not only help you financially, but also they help you to establish you as an expert and help you to create more connection with your audience. Just in the chat, like, you can get so many ideas. You can really understand where people are and how you can help them. So I love live webinars. Okay, now we're gonna talk about how my friends are making money online. But before, I need to put my glasses because I tried to do this video without glasses, but I can't see anything. So I went to Portugal last month, and we went to a business event, and I met all these amazing people there, and Livia is one of them. So Livia has a beautiful community of female travelers where she teaches them how to speak in English when they are traveling. She does have traveling resources that they can download, and she also gives like online classes, but everything is online, and she is amazing. Next, I also have my friend Carol, which I also met on this event. She loves fashion. She's always has the best outfits, and she offers services, social media services, and consulting services for fashion brands. And this is how she's making money online, and you can have a look on her profile as well. Her Instagram is so beautiful, and even if you don't understand anything because her profile is in Portuguese, you can still see how beautiful her profile is. And lastly, I do have my friend Jay-Z as well. She has been working behind the scenes for a long time. That's why she doesn't post a lot of content, but she is going to be launching her own line of skincare products, which I am so excited about it. But there you have it. You have 12 ideas to make money online, selling digital products, selling services, so you can finally have more freedom and be able to work from anywhere and to do something that you are passionate about. So whether you are looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there are so many opportunities out there. So don't be afraid to experiment. Don't be afraid to follow your intuition and follow what gets you engaged. So remember remember to start with something that deeply interests you, because that's exactly what I did and that works for me, and that's what makes this so much fun and makes you money as well. So don't be afraid to experiment, to try different things, to have fun and follow what keeps you excited, because at the end of the day, the magic of anything that you create comes from you. You are the magic of it. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Let me know if you have any questions, or let me know which digital product or service you're gonna be trying next. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.